Okay everybody, this isn't so much a fix-it video as a review video. I was having some trouble with my old Banks Monster exhaust rusting out. It was about 10 years old. And so what I bought is the Carven-R type muffler. I'll show you underneath here. It's a pretty small little muffler and pretty much has straight flow through it. And I shot my pipe outside here with this little inconspicuous black tip. So I'll let you listen to it, see what you think. I like the sound. It's pretty calm at idle, but it really screams when you put the RPMs into it. So I'll let you have a listen now. There's the cold start. Pretty calm. And I'll let you hear a couple revs. That's the Carven-R exhaust on a Nissan Titan coming out the side. I have lots of fix-it videos on Nissan Titan, and I try to show you some projects like this. If you like this, please like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help out anytime I can. Thanks everyone.